My name is Dr. Mark Pimentel, and I'm a gastroenterologist here in Los Angeles. I always wanted to do GI. Digestion affects everything. Everything starts from food. The food assembles everything you see here on your body. We've known about elemental diets for a long time. The first study that I published, we had patients who were dramatically affected by SIBO. We ran out of antibiotics, and so we had to come up with another solution. And there was data from the 70s saying, hey, if you took an elemental diet, you could reduce the colony counts of bacteria in your gut. So we tried that, but the elemental diets we had prior to mBIOTA were quite foul and tasting. They weren't meant for drinking. They were meant for putting in feeding tubes or to be administered directly into the gut for people who had strokes, for example, where they can't feed themselves. And so we were applying it in a formula to drink. Well, mBIOTA came up with a solution of, hey, could we make it palatable? Could you drink it? Could you make it taste good? And that's a game changer. I mean, the taste difference between old elemental and new elemental is day and night. It tastes like a shake. It's so flavorful and easy to do. Patients love it. What's interesting about an elemental diet and sort of the notion of how it came about is that you're giving your GI tract a chance to rest. You can reset your microbiome. You basically wipe out the bad stuff and start fresh. Ordinarily, we use an elemental diet for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth or intestinal methanogen overgrowth. But an elemental diet can be used in any situation where the gut needs rest. So elemental is quite a valuable tool. Often we're giving this for patients who didn't respond to an antibiotic. And so we're now applying this as a last resort. And we're still getting 80 to 90% resolution of the SIBO or the intestinal methanogen overgrowth. That's pretty remarkable when you're taking the last resort patient and still getting that kind of response. So in general, 80 to 90% response rates is what we're seeing. I did 7 days of the elemental diet, and it is tasty, it's doable.